Breaking news coming in, the Bombay High Court has directed the Maharashtra government to form a panel to explore the feasibility of phasing out diesel and petrol vehicles, saying that automobiles are choking Mumbai's roads and a major contributor to the city's worsening air quality. The order was passed on a public interest litigation that the High Court has taken up on its own in 2023 over the city's poor air quality index. Let's go across to my colleague Shweta, who's joining us with more details. Shweta, we were just discussing the problems with Mumbai is facing in terms of traffic and in terms of parking and the policies which the government is looking at. Now the High Court has put in another twist to the matter, saying that we should look at the possibility of phasing out diesel and petrol vehicles.
Well, that's right, Sudhanshu. In fact, in the previous hearing also, a strong observation that were made by the Bombay High Court. Remember, when it comes to Chief Justice D.K. Upadhyay, at that time also he highlighted the fact that we do not need to copy Delhi, but do something with related to the vehicular density. And this time also we are understanding that the strong suggestion that has already come out. Now the Bombay High Court has also directed the Maharashtra government to form a panel to explore the feasibility of phasing out diesel and petrol vehicles. Remember, this was said in the last hearing also, and today while passing out the direction also, this has come at 4. Now, this particular divisional bench was formed especially for hearing AQI-related matter where clutch of petitions were filed as PIL in the Bombay High Court. Now, the order has also been passed on the PIL, which was held in a way that the High Court had taken a suo motu of this particular matter in the year 2023. Now, very importantly, what we also understand here is that the state has to form a panel that will be exploring the feasibility when it comes to the diesel and petrol vehicles. So one can understand that it may be times where all the petrol-oriented vehicles will be plying on road. On some other day, only the diesel-oriented vehicles will be flying on road. Or in similar manner, some other ideas will be explored by the state, and that would be given to the Bombay High Court as well. That's it.